What is it?
A worm.
No, it's not a worm. What is it called?
A caterpillar.
A what?
A caterpillar.
Did you say pillow?
No.
Don't sit on the ground. Sit up. Stand up.
Okay.
What'd you say it was?
Good.
What is it? What's it called?
A caterpillar.
What is it?
Caterpillar.
Look at me and say it real loud.
Caterpillar.
All right. Taylor May found her own.
Caterpillar.
What color is it?
But
Are you going to bend over and pick it up? Are you going to pick it up?
It's big.
Caterpillar's big?
Yes.
Are you scared of it?
Yes.
Why?
I'm not.
Well, pick it up.
Can't do it.
I'll give you 5 kisses if you pick it up. Did you lose it? It's right there, Taylor May. Right there. Pick it up.
It's big.
Get it.
Big.
It's littler than the one me and Olivia had the other day.
Where is it?
It's gone bye-bye. What do caterpillars turn into, Taylor May?
And 4.
No, remember me and Daddy and Olivia told you the other day?
Yes.
What?
2.
Butterflies?
Yes. I'm 2, 2, 10, 4, and 2.
All right. Say, I love you.
I love you.
Give me a kiss. Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.